Discover the world of ID card printers. ID machines are used by all kinds of employers, schools and organizations to print ID cards for their members. Companies and government departments may issue ID cards for security purposes, proof of identity, or proof of a qualification. For example, all taxicab drivers in the UK carry ID cards. This presentation introduces ID card printers and looks at the differences between printers and which ID card printer type is best for you and your business, school, or college. The most common use of an ID card is to verify that the person holding it is indeed who they claim to be. For many organizations, employee ID cards are essential for security, identification, and access. An ID card printer, also known as an ID badge printer, is a desktop printer that allows you to create personalized identity cards for your employees, contractors, students and visitors. There are 3 different card printer technologies to consider, each with slightly different printing processes. ID card printers are much more specialized and advanced than the average paper printer. It takes a different technology to print onto a plastic card, much different than the basic printer that prints on paper. An identity document is any document that may be used to prove a person's identity. If issued in a small standard credit card size form, an ID card is a card bearing identifying data such as age or organizational membership about the individual whose name appears. An ID card printer, also known as an ID badge printer, is a desktop printer that allows you to create personalized identity cards for your employees, contractors, students and visitors. There are 3 different card printer technologies to consider, each with slightly different printing processes. Direct-to-card plastic card printers, the most well-known method. Retransfer plastic card printers produces more durable cards. Inkjet plastic card printers. Just like there are different types of printers for printing onto paper, there are a few different card printer options to choose from. There are specialty printers for printing ID cards. There are 3 main types of ID card printers. When printing ID cards, it is important to choose the right type of ID card printer for the job. A retransfer ID card printer that uses a 2-step print process instead of a traditional die-sub direct-to-card technology. The card design is first printed onto a durable overlay transfer film, which is then bonded onto the card's surface using a combination of heat and pressure. Using a direct-to-card printing method, text and images are printed directly to the surface of the card through heat and pressure. This method is called direct-to-card printing because the print head comes into direct contact with the card's surface during the printing process. With an inkjet card printer, the printer sprays a small drop of each color ink onto the surface. This technology is used to print the surface of the PVC card. These colored inks are sprayed and dried on the surface of the PVC card. These printers are more for printing document paper. You can choose from a wide range of major brands such as Zebra, Fargo, Magicard, Evolis, Datacard, IDP, and Niska. ID card printer brands Zebra, Evolis, Fargo, IDP Smart, Magicard, Pointman, Nuvia, SwiftPro, Entrust, Datacard, MATICA, SwiftPro. Using ID cards allows safety and security to be easily maintained in any workplace or business environment. Employee IDs serve as a form of instant identification for everyone in the building. They can also be used to restrict access to certain areas and even certain machines. Advanced ID badges come with embedded chips or barcodes. Our online store offers a range of ID card printers, software and accessories from leading brands including Zebra, Evolis, Fargo, IDP Smart, Magicard, Pointman, Nuvia, and SwiftPro.